All you have to do is to copy the link of any YouTube video that says viral, come over to this secret website, shrink the link, come over to another secret website that I'm going to be showing you, paste the links there, get traffic to the links, and start making cool cash from YouTube without having a YouTube channel. Hi there, I'm Emmanuel, and today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make money on YouTube without owning a channel. Without further ado, let's get down to business. So step 1 to actually make money on YouTube without a YouTube channel is to actually sign up with one of these link shrinking platforms that pay you for shrinking links and sending them to friends and family. So right here I'm going to be using shrinkme.io. This is probably because this is the one I use, and they have a referral program. Also, they have a low minimum payout, which is $5. Right here you can see low payouts, low minimum payout. You're required to earn only $5 before you'll be paid, and we pay all users via their PayPal. There are other methods of getting paid with this platform. I'll go over them later on in this video, but PayPal is the most common one. And also, when you sign up to shrinkme.io, you get a $1 bonus when you sign up. So click the link in the description of this video and sign up. Also, you're going to be using my referral link, just so you know, and perhaps I'll earn something from that. Thank you. As you can go here, so you see that I'm not lying, and this is actually true. People are actually earning money from this thing. And look at people that are receiving their payment. This person just received $30.12 via Payeer. Somebody received 5.03, 5.07, 23.56, 19, even as much as $80, and the list goes on and on and on and on. So the earning possibilities with this platform is really high, and yeah, you can start making money with them. How these platforms work is that they get you to shrink links, and then when you shrink these links, they add a direct page or a page where they'll be showing people ads. As they click on your link, they're going to be shown these ads, and when they see the ads, whether they view it or not, and whether they skip it or whatever, as far as people are seeing the ads, they are going to be paying you for these people that are actually clicking on your link. So you want to come over to payout rates, and then you can see the payouts that they pay per 1,000 views for each link, per 1,000 clicks on each of your links. That's a view. They pay $22 for Greenland, both mobile, desktop. United States, which is the most common place, $11 per 1,000 views, and the list goes on. The list that they pay over here is $3.50. You can get over to shrinkme.io by simply typing shrinkme.io in your search bar or clicking the link that I'll leave in the description of this video. And then you want to create an account or log in. So you want to come over to register right here and click on it. So right here you're going to put your username. It has to be unique to you. You put your email, your password, you enter your password, or you can simply sign in with Google. Then you confirm the captcha, agree to their terms of service, and you're good to go. So once you sign up to shrinkme.io, your dashboard will look something like this, because it will be newly created and it will all be on 0000. So right here you can see your available balance is $1 as you have received your sign up bonus. The second step to start making money with this shrinkme.io and other link shrinking platforms to make money on YouTube without a channel, you want to find YouTube videos that are actually viral, funny, or that will just appeal to the audience that you're going to be sending this your shortened links to. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to be going to YouTube, find a viral video, shorten the link, and then we'll move on to step 3. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to be using funny videos, try not to laugh, compilations and all that. So right here we're in youtube.com, and all you got to do is come over here and share this post. By doing this, you can just copy the link of this YouTube video. This is the link that we're going to be shrinking in order to make money. So when you copy it, you want to come back to our dashboard on Shrink Me
shorting.io.
And then you want to come to new shorting link right here, click on it, and then you paste the URL that you just copied right here. Now that you've pasted it, you can add an alias, you can change the domain to whatever you want, and you can make an expiry date for this link so that it expires at a certain period. But in order to make more money and to make passive income too, you're not going to add an expiring date. So right here, click on shorting, and it's going to generate the shortened link for you. So right here, this is the shortened link that you're going to be promoting. Just before you copy this link, make sure to find a YouTube thumbnail downloader so that you can download the thumbnail of that video and you can actually promote it to many other places and many other social media platforms. So right here we are on the YouTube thumbnail downloader, and you want to paste the link that you just copied from YouTube right here. And as you can see, it has generated the thumbnail for this video, and you want to go ahead and download this image. Once you've downloaded the image or the thumbnail for the YouTube video that you're going to be sharing around, you want to come over to facebook.com or Instagram or wherever you think you can share it.
One thing you need to know about Facebook, Instagram, and other generic social media platforms is that when you share stuff that actually make you money on them, if you are not using paid ads or you have a huge following or whatever, you're not going to get as much value from those platforms as possible. So in order to actually make money with this strategy, we're not going to be using Facebook or Instagram or Ingor or any other platform that you've been told about. We're going to be using a hits platform called You Like Hits, and this is the bonus step.
So for this bonus step, we're going to be using a website that is called youlikehits.com. To get over here, you can simply type youlikehits.com in your search bar, or you can simply click on the link that I'll be leaving in the description of this video. So what this place helps you to do is that it helps you to get more and more views to your links without you paying for it. As you can see here, promote your social media and websites for free. So we're going to be using the free website traffic tool over here. The reason we're doing this is that with Facebook and other social media platforms, it is really hard to get a lot of clicks. You might get some clicks, perhaps 10, 20, 30, but you're not going to get 1,000 clicks. With this, you can actually start making money with shrinkme.io and other link shrinkers on YouTube without a channel. So you want to click on sign up now, and when you click on the sign up now button, you'll be shown the place that you're going to sign up. So all you want to do is to fill out the form for signing up, enter your username, your email, your password, and then once you've signed up, you're going to log in into your account. When you've logged into your You Like It account, it's going to look something like this. And when you're going to log into your account, you're going to get 100 points bonus. And the way you're going to start using this to actually make money is to come over to add or edit site, and then you come over to the website hits right here. You want to click on it. Then what you're going to do is to add the name, whatever name. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to write funny videos for you. And what I'm going to do is to actually paste the URL from shrinkme.io right here. So you want to click on add website. It's going to load up and show you the way the page is going to look like, and then you have to actually wait. Then once you wait, once the timer is done, you're going to click on add now. And what this is essentially going to do for you is that when you add now, depending on the number of points that you put and the way you want it to be, you can get as many clicks as possible from You Like It. So all you have to do is to go to manage website once it's done adding it, and then you can create a payout for this website. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using 3 points per click. and it's pretty easy to get points on You Like It. So you want to click OK to save it, and to end points on You Like It, you come over to the endpoints tab over here, and then there are lots of things that you can do for many other people in order to get hits and clicks to your links and get more points, as you can see right here. So I want to come over to website hits over here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go into other people's website, clicking on their links in order to get points. And once you get points, you can use them for your own links.
And this here is the end of the step-by-step process of how you can make money on YouTube without a YouTube channel. If you like this video, please smash the like button. Comment what you want me to go over in the next video, and I'll do well to reply to your comment. Lastly, but not leastly, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.